Hi there, Matt here for Creative Learning Group. In today's lesson we're going to be looking at analysing a simple song. The song is Angels by Robbie Williams and Guy Chambers. It relates to exercise 12 in your assessment task, and you're asked to identify a number of key factors that relate to this piece. It's really a case of putting everything that we've done till this point into practice and using it to analyse a piece of sheet music. So here on the screen I've got a sort of playable version of that tune, and what you're asked to do is identify a number of things within that by looking at the sheet music. So you're given the first page of sheet music, and what you have to do is identify the key signature, which, as I've said when we looked at key signatures, is written at the start of every single stave to identify the accidentals in this piece of music. The time signature, which shouldn't be hard to find, which is right next to the key signature. The first 10 notes of the melody and the scale degrees that they are. So here we're looking at this section here, the melody. Yours looks a little bit different to mine, but it's the same melody. So here the first note is a B in the key of E. Whoops, I gave that away. B is E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B. It's the fifth note in the scale, so it's perfect fifth. So here we just need to write 5 underneath there. For the G, remember that's a G sharp because of our key signature. That would be a 3, 2, 1, and so on. So you need to identify the first 10. Okay, are there any accidentals in this piece of music? Accidentals occur inside the bars themselves, and then when a note is out of a key is being played. So are there any accidentals in this piece of music? I can't see any, but you might be able to find one. Two different triads. So these are all triads here. These are inverted triads, so they're not in their root position. And we haven't talked about inversions, but we really just need to identify the triads, and then all of these chords that we're playing here. There's nothing more complex than a 3-note chord. And so you just need to circle and identify exactly the type of and name of that triad. You have to find one crotchet, one quaver, and one semiquaver. So you should be able to do that. Again, you can just write on this piece of music and just circle things and name them where appropriate. And finally, you have to find a number of rests. So here are the rests sitting in here. So it shouldn't be too difficult. So if you want to use this site, this is from musicnotes.com, which is a great place to source sheet music. You have to pay for it. And it's about $5 for a piece of sheet music. So get stuck into Angels. Get stuck into the analysis. There's a second assignment we're going to have a second set of tutorials about, which is where you have to analyse a piece of music of your own choosing, and either give a. So get stuck into Angels, and good luck completing your CAT. Cheers.